Summit. Oh, Summit Racing, son. Woo! Look at that shit. This place is huge. Fuck yeah. Woo! GoPro that shit. Good morning, YouTube. Driven by Gear fans. Guess where we're heading today? Because I live in Texas, we're going to Summit Racing. They have a huge facility here in Arlington. So we're going to head on down to Summit and check it out. So I'll take you, oh shit, I'll take you with me along. So we'll check it out. Got the old C10 rolling. Oh yeah. Overcast, 41 degrees. Yesterday it was 90. What the hell, Texas? Bipolar ass. Anyway, I'll speed this video up until we hit Summit. Good old Summit racing truck. Look at that. Big old huge building. Here at Summit Racing. Check out some stuff. Gonna be epic. Oh yeah. This place is huge. Look how long it stretches. Oh yeah. Gonna be epic. Cars in there spinning. This is one of them. Future upgrades. Rack and pinion. Brakes galore. stuff here. Summit Racing. We got a few items here. It was a pretty bad place, as you could see. I tried to get as much footage as I could. So first thing we got was, I asked the guy what kind of shocks to go with in the front. So he said Beltec Street Performance, because I got a 4-inch drop now in the front. He said these would be way better than the Nitro drop shocks. So he said the other ones had issues with blowing out. So we'll check these Beltecs out and see how good they are. Also, we got the Beltec. Figure out how to open it here. Because in the front of the truck, I just chopped the factory coil springs, but the ride quality sucks. So in order to fix that, I got these Beltec coil springs, and they are beefy, boy. Nice thick silver finish. Look at that. Beltec drop coils, and they're real beefy and thick, so hopefully they will make the ride quality pretty damn good. Also, another thing was steering wheel adapters. I'll tell you, it's not easy to try to put an aftermarket steering wheel. You got to go from 5-hole, 6-hole, 3-hole. It's ridiculous. So we got a Grant adapter and also this, which actually hooks up to the GM factory spline. And it's a big billet, black. See the spline, 5-hole. So eventually we're going to convert over to this. I'm still debating on painting this bright green, the olive drab, to match the truck, or just leave it with the bright green. So that would be pretty cool. And this here will hopefully hook up pretty easy. You'll have to wait to see that in the upcoming vlog. But that's pretty much it from Summit Racing. It was pretty cool to actually visit a brick and mortar site, because my whole life my dad pretty much got those magazines in as I was a kid, and you know, would always drool through the books and all that, between that and Jegs. So it was pretty cool to actually go to a physical site, you know, and talk to some of the guys. And the guys there are pretty informative, so I'll leave a link in the description below with the address and all that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, make sure and subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet. We got some Dodge Mopars trying to growl up behind us. Oh man.